Established 1955, Klaus Olaf Welding had a vision and a goal, looking into the future. To leave a mark that defines who we are. With 60 years of experience in science, life science and distribution, we have grown together to what we are today. We are constantly developing and know exactly who we are. The time has come to combine tradition and innovation. A small symbol with great effect. Through our employees and through our corporate identity, we combine tradition and innovation to produce a new look and feel. For our common values, which have endured for decades, personality and passion, stability, trust, reliability, calmness under pressure, our growth, movement and progress, we give the direction for the future. Together we discover our strengths. We are part of our success story. We shape the future. We work together. With our innovative strength, we make a valuable contribution to the common good by building sustainable synergies with our customers and business partners. We are Welding.